Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make samosa. It's a butter pastry filled with mashed potato. So delicious. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 200 gram mashed potato, 2 tablespoons of butter, half cup of warm water, 1 small onion, vegetable oil, salt, turmeric, chili powder, sweet paprika, black pepper, and dried mint. Turn on your stove and boil potato until it's soft. Then cool it down in cold water. In the meantime, we can make our pastry ready. Add flour, salt, butter, and warm water to the bowl. Mix it well and knead for another 7 minutes. Then cover it and set aside for 30 minutes. You can make it easier for yourself to buy a ready pastry or use a lavash bread. Now our potato is ready. We peel it and smash it. Now we can make our filling ready. Cut onion into small pieces, put some oil to the pan and fry onion until it's golden. Now onion is ready, add turmeric, chili powder, sweet paprika, black pepper and mint. Mix it and fry it for another minute. Then you can add mashed potato and salt. Mix it and it's all ready. Out of the dough, we need to make rectangular shape. Make sure the dough is thin because when you fry it, that would make it very crispy. Now the shape nice and thin, we can place 1 spoon of filling to it and start to fold it. As you can see, I fold it 3 times, which should be enough. Now we are really close to finish up. Don't give up. Heat up some oil and fry the samosas both sides until it's golden. The best way to fry samosa is deep fry, so if you have a chance, make sure your pan or pot is deep enough. Fill it with oil, warm it up, really high temperature. It's very important because as hot as it gets, as crispy as you get. We eat it with hot sauce. I appreciate you watching and I see you in the next video. Your feedbacks are very important to me. That keep me going. Nooshe John, bon appetit!